General rules of bandages. 1. Bandages must be changed every day. 2. The wound must be kept clean and dry between changes. 3. If the victim is lying down, pass the bandages under the body's natural hollow, such as ankle, knee, waist, and neck. 4. Leave the finger, toes of a bandaged limb exposed. 5. Use square knots. Tie the bandages. 6. Check circulation regularly. 7. Pins and knots should be placed away from the injured part. 8. To avoid friction, pads should be placed between the skin surface and over the body part.
I look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet.